What's good everyone? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Quincy and I'm back here again. A few days ago I promised a video showing the Jamaican men behind dating and social media sites. So look what you guys have it today. Today it shall be done. Yay! For those who are new to my channel, welcome. You can go and watch my old videos, find yourself intrigued with whatsoever is there. And welcome to the fam. Thanks for the support for my old followers and who's to come. Hello and welcome. And I hope you guys enjoy with me today. I have a lot of my family members and a sweet little couple. Yes, most of us have YouTube channels, but some don't really have any content, but some do. So let them all introduce themselves to y'all. And here we go.
Hey guys, don't know. I see family, you're supporting Queen T. Like, subscribe, share.
And comment. Over to their channel, the link will be in the subscription box below. Support them guys, they're a lovely couple and we love their videos. So go over there and flood their pages, let them know I send y'all over there. Have fun. Let's go as we introduce the other persons who are here.
Original chemical in the building, you know. Don't know. Worldwide. Out and part.
Right, that's it. You know what I beat this man. Right, that's it, man.
Yeah, you know it's a boy, DG gang, right in building.
So here you have it and let's get into the video.
Big minutes, you know that I just reached out and we'll get something to eat. So I'll call you back in a few minutes, alright? Talk to you later on.
You didn't like much money.
You ain't like anything, somebody what it's like, you know, all the work.
So I'm going to go. I'm going for this up later.
Oh, you saw what this boy? You're not planning to go look up. You get on social media every day where you use and feed them.
So this is really that back and day.
You have to go look work.
My mom me hungry, man. Trust me. Up until me I come from China, I didn't cook me that way.
So what you don't plan to feed them for them? The girl you sit up on social media with.
I look about her, man.
You don't look about her work.
Yeah, man.
So look about her work, can't feed them.
Soon, it's soon come.
It's soon. That is how you handle the situation.
What?
You is what this good for nothing. Tell me now. Eh? Sorry for your condition. Hope God go with you.
Mom and dad soon, but you can't really say I did with something. I look about the work, you know, man.
Every day they look about work and work can't come.
Next week, if you have
Next
company
week.
interview.
So why you tell the woman when he hungry? Eh? Sorry for you, but I can't help you right now.
How will I be there?
Hello, good morning. I'm informing from the Port Reform Gang to inform you in that package of $50 million. Oh, you that thing got over about that, you don't want to have to put on my gram, you see me? Oh, sure. You see, I heard. Do the dirt and come back quick and fast.
Hey, what's up, beautiful? How you doing? You know that I'm here doing some paperwork on my computer. How was your day? Yeah, I'm having a good day. Just in the office doing some paperwork, making sure these files are in by tomorrow. You know how it is. Well, I might go and get something to eat at a restaurant. What are you doing? I might pull up on you. Yeah, we can go to a bar, maybe some like a diner where they do food and drink, something like that. Yeah. So in the meanwhile, you can just think about what you're gonna eat or what you're gonna choose on the menu later. Yeah, because it's like about 4 in the evening now, so by about 5, 6 o'clock I'll be finished doing what I'm doing here. I just take the shower, then I roll up and pick you up. You understand? Yeah. Yeah, that's cool. A little seafood ain't too bad. And some garlic, lobster with some mashed potato and spaghetti on the side.
Hello, my baby, my sweetie darling. I'm fine. You pay your rent already? No. So what you were doing today? Huh? I need some money to pay. Oh, send me a account number now for me, please. Repeat. Your account number. 1-5-4-4-2-2-7-9-2-1. You gonna go to the Western Union now and pick it up? It's sent off already. Love you, my sweet pie. Love you too. I cannot wait to see your sexy body in my car. I cannot wait to see your sexy body in my car. Yes.
So when you were coming, I don't hear you. I don't hear what you said.
I said soon and very soon.
You have to give me a date.
Repeat.
You have to give me a date.
Next week.
Next week. I am looking for you next week. You hear me, my sweet pie?
Okay then. Just a minute.
Alright. So you buy grocery for your house already?
No, I need some groceries in my house.
Like what, like that?
Food, I need some money to buy them.
Oh, I send you $50,000 in your account.
Okay then, thank you.
Oh, so how your mom doing?
She's doing good.
So how your father is doing?
He's doing good.
So he's preaching same way.
Yes.
So home to your little sisters.
They are doing good.
Make sure you come next week and look for your sugar daddy.
Okay then, I will.
Alright, my sexy little pie.
Okay then.
I am gonna cut off this call. I have something to do. I have next call coming in.
I have a good day.
Alright, my sweetie pie. Love you.
Hey, you know you got the keys to my door, so baby come over, baby come over. Hey, you know you got the keys to my door, so baby come over, baby come over. You keep
What's up, so I did know what, bro?
And then they are going to make us split.
See, I eat it up.
I mean, grab a leaf.
You know, see, I'm cheap to be a do one of them time. You see, I can't stop it when I roll it right and I just go on easy. You see?
So you come down, man.
So I did an idea.
Once I'm there, I do.
Free, man. See, free.
Yeah, man.
So you could do it so hard, dog. To you.
Watch your bad dog.
What? I wish that. You give me that one, eh?
No, sir.
Come like that one, eh? How over side there?
What you mean, man?
Boom!
Because you think that a 6 inches decking, man.
Boom! I would take it. No!
What you
I mean,
mean,
I don't
man?
know so I'm going to teach, you know, where I did it.
Don't know what you paid me.
You know, you have the man, you know, you have the man, you know, lock them in your house and not take it. You can't go in there.
Let me try to show you, man.
Nothing.
Not even no boy can come in my house.
So I go on feet, you know the whole thing go.
I mean,
So
man.
I went to fly up.
You know, say next month, you.
Next month? Man, you look. I don't know, so that. Next month. So what the phone? Because even more than 22 long, you know my style already, you know that. You know, so when I hit, it take nothing, you know, you. Watch it, you know, still know, you see it?
You want me to show what I go on, man.
But anyway, still, if I go on, you can't look so it. I'm not going to do anything, you know what I'm saying?
No, man.
My you, so I go on. And beer, cook up tea, I go glazed up and how I go on.
I just some sauce up, just go sell there, because I'm not even have no money, I'm just bucket here.
Sauce up?
I'm not even beg or no money yet.
Sauce up, bad bro?
What you mean, man?
So I go on chemical minute. So I'm thinking 4 minutes like that, I go on.
Yo, dog, right
No,
now,
I can't feel
right
it.
now, me and I want to link up with dog, with some leads, dog.
No, bad bro, you can't say anything. No, dog. Yeah, I'm going to say the woman that come down make money. I be a cocoa here, the bun dog, and you hear them red out in time, man, see man, can't say, dog, you can't remember, you say you go sell this sauce up and drink up, you drink that, and you tongue up on a clear beer, you get all these things, see girl when you breathe.
Dog, me don't drink up some solid pearl and
No,
some
dog.
chili already, man.
Man, you can't tell me nothing, you see, you tell me, you come like you sit here and go beat down later, and the next month, you get come, you know, move right, dog. Man, you can't move so bad boy, it's right on bad bro, to tell you the truth,
yeah.
I mean, book that the girl right now, I'm thinking number that you see me out every day, clean and so dog. I say dog, give me a book and then I want to them when I work for 2 days, not coming right to book me, I can just keep myself present. Just hear you, look on you dog. You don't know you find that the girl there.
I'm good, you're good, me dog.
No dog, you don't know, see, I'm a good grudge up. I'm a good grudge up, my youth. I tell me, I tell you the truth, my youth.
Yeah.
I tell you the truth, my youth. I find that here like that dog.
Yeah.
You see, my book, you have to deal with talking bad bro. You can't move some my youth. Man, chemical y'all are burning cream and anything like it. No, work dog.
Yeah, that's true when I work in my son from all the end of the day.
Yeah, work and you tell me say you chop. Nothing you do chemical.
Yo, right now, chill nothing. No, yeah, man. No, there's a car when I come down, man, the whole place locked down with jail.
Come like you know, you a bad boy say what you man, you.
What him say?
Inside the man them say brother.
I'm the outside of her. I didn't know brother.
Man, you man gotta look on you out so you look like dark boy, you black and white. You want to hear that? Look on your shirt, man, you move like dark boy, dog. Man, you there have to go fix up, man. You see free man, you there come, man, you there have to just make sure say, man, you there, you know?
So you can
See if you see if I sit with you.
You must say I treat on me, I live. Work and come feel like figure. Come in, you don't know. You see, you look like apple, I want to thank you. Work and come get a slice out of that big. Work and come get a slice out of that big one. You see big. You see enough something you have there. I hope I can share you. No, for sure. I'm going to I won't say nothing to them. I don't know what I'm going to do. So, where they are, don't get that skill and make me see a more. Come in, man. Come the baby. How far are they?
You're shy. You're shy. So you have to talk over your phone when I know you're not talking, you're shy.
I don't know nothing.
You're shy, man.
I'm not going to make it.